Standard first, subject EVS. Dear students, today we are going to learn a new lesson, but first we will revise what we have learned in the previous lesson. We have learned about our clothes. In that, we have learned about different kinds of clothes according to the seasons and occasions. Students, now let us learn the new lesson, that is lesson number 3, a shelter. So students, as we all live in a house, in the same way all living things need a shelter to protect themselves from cold, heat and rain. We live as a family in our homes. The family members rest and live together in the comfort of their home. And also, the house should be kept clean. And also, there should be plenty of light and air in the house. It should be well furnished with necessary things like beds, cupboards, tables, chairs, and sofas. A. Kinds of houses. We can build different kinds of houses. First point, tent. So students, this type of tent is built when we go for a trekking. So students, tent means a house made up of thick cloth like canvas, poles and cords. Second one, hut. Hut means a house made up of mud and grass, and the walls are made of mud and the roof is attached with leaves or grass. Third one, chawl. A chawl consists of small houses built in a row, and we also find them in towns and cities. Fourth one, block. A block is a building with multiple stories which are divided into flats. Fifth one, skyscrapers. Skyscrapers are found in cities. They are of 30, 40 or even more floors buildings. Sixth one, bungalow. A bungalow is an independent building which has many rooms. It usually has a surrounding compound with garden, lawn means grass, etc. Tents are used for temporary stay. Huts are small houses which are not very strong. Chawls, blocks, skyscrapers, and bungalows are big and permanent houses. To build permanent houses, we need stones, timber, bricks, tiles, sand, cement, and steel rods. B1. From where do we get the building materials? First point, bricks and tiles are made from clay. Then they are sent to the brick kiln to be baked. Second point, sand is brought from the sea, river or canals. Third one, cement and steel rods are brought from factories. Fourth one, we get timber from the trees. Doors, and windows are made from timber. C1. Who built the house? First one, the architect draws the plan of the house. Second one, the mason builds the walls of the house. Third one, the carpenter makes the doors and the windows. Fourth one, the blacksmith makes the iron frames or grills of the windows and the latches of the doors. Fifth one, the plumber fits the taps, the toilets, and the wash basins. Sixth one, the electrician fits the lighting, fans, plugs, and switches. D. How should we keep our house? The house should be swept daily. It should be mopped well. Toilets and the bathrooms should be kept clean always. And the house should look neat and tidy. So students, I hope you all must have understood this lesson. So students, now let us remember what we have learned in this lesson. First one, all living things need a shelter, live in. Second one, human beings live in houses. Third one, we are safe and protected in a house. Fourth one, tents are meant for temporary stay. Fifth one, huts are small, weak houses. Sixth one, chawls, blocks, skyscrapers, and bungalows are big and permanent homes. Seventh one, many workmen are needed to build permanent houses. Thank you, students.